Welcome to Meditation for Beginners. Meditation is a practice that involves focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity to train attention and awareness. It can be done in various ways, such as by focusing on the breath, a mantra, or a visual object. Meditation has a number of potential benefits for beginners. It can help to reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus and concentration, and increase feelings of calm and relaxation. It can also help improve sleep, reduce pain, and lower blood pressure. Meditation has also been shown to be good for both your physical and mental health as a whole. So, it is beneficial for beginners to start practicing meditation. Choose a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be interrupted. Find a comfortable seated position. Set a timer for your meditation session. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Focus on your breath or a mantra. To focus on your breath, start by finding a comfortable seated position and closing your eyes. Begin to pay attention to the sensation of the breath as it enters and exits your body. You can count your breaths if that helps to keep your focus, or you can simply observe the breath without judgment. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. A mantra is a word or phrase that is repeated during meditation as a way to focus the mind. To use a mantra, choose a word or phrase that has personal meaning for you. It could be a word in a different language, a positive affirmation, or a word that represents a particular quality you wish to cultivate, such as peace, love, or compassion. As you repeat the mantra to yourself, let go of any other thoughts and focus solely on the sound and meaning of the mantra. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to the mantra. When your mind wanders, gently redirect your focus back to your breath or mantra. Slowly open your eyes and stretch. Take a moment to reflect on your meditation experience. Find a time that works best for you to meditate daily. Start with shorter meditation sessions and gradually increase the length. Don't get discouraged if you struggle to focus at first. Just stick with it. Find a time